This is a 1980s aluminium back door made by Monarch, which has a 3-point locking system made by Union, it has, I'll show you this, it's got 3 parts to this lock, and the top and bottom bits are connected by long shafts like this to the middle part of the lock. To get the lock off, the first thing one needs to do is remove the handles. So you get a Allen key like this. Bond has 2.5mm one. It makes it much easier, and you undo the handles like that. Then the next thing is you remove the lock, the handle plate. I've drilled holes here to make it easy on mine, but you are supposed to be able to lift up that black thing, and then you can see the screw, although it doesn't work that well in practice. Once you've done that, the next step is to remove the lock barrel, and there's a screw here that you undo, and then if you've already got the handle plates off, you just turn this barrel to the right position to pull it out. And then once you've done that, there's these plastic pieces which you can see this coat hanger wire attached to. It's just an L-shaped coat hanger wire. There's one there and one at the top, and when you lift the handle up or down, those things go up or down. And what you have to do is move these plastic pieces away from the lock, like this. This is a representation of the plastic piece, that black bit, and the lock is here, and basically that shaft goes on this spindle there like that, and then that plastic piece is pushed up to stop it coming off the lock. And to get the lock off, you have to pull that plastic bit down, in the case of the bottom one, so that then you can unhook this. Whereas if you try and unhook it without pulling it down, you'll just break the plastic, which might not be available anymore. And that's it.